Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring contacts are synced and the phone app can edit photos. Open the phone app and go to Recents. This gets you directly to call log entries. Tap the specific incoming or outgoing call entry to reveal contact details. Once done, press the contact name or the profile icon to open the full contact card. This step is necessary because the call log references the contact image stored in your contacts, not the log itself. You now edit the contact photo so the change reflects in the call log. Tap Edit on the contact card. This gives you photo options. Choose Take Photo to capture instantly or select from gallery to pick an existing image and use the crop tool to fit the circular frame. This matters because mismatched crops look wrong in lists. After positioning, tap Save or Done. Make sure the contact is saved to the correct account if you have multiple accounts. Otherwise, the call log won't update. You finish by confirming the updated photo appears in the call log. Return to Recents. If you don't see the change, close and reopen the phone app to force a refresh. If it still shows the old image, check that you saved the contact to the phone or the account that the phone app uses. Synced accounts sometimes override local edits. As a troubleshooting tip, clear the phone app cache or reboot the device to resolve lingering display issues and force the system.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.